Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your BMW X7. First, prioritize safety by gathering essential gear like gloves and eye protection. Make sure both vehicles are completely turned off and not making contact. Next, open the hood of your BMW X7 and locate the designated jumpstart terminals. These are usually clearly marked with a plus and minus sign, often under a red cover for the positive terminal. Now, let's connect the jumper cables correctly. Take one red positive clamp and securely attach it to the positive terminal of your dead BMW X7. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence is crucial for a safe connection. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your BMW X7's engine block or chassis, away from the battery. This provides a good ground. Once connected, start the working vehicle and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this time, try starting your BMW X7. Once your BMW X7 starts, carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection, starting with the negative clamp from the BMW, then the negative from the good car, followed by the positive clamps. To ensure your battery fully recharges, drive your BMW X7 for at least 20 minutes. Also, for a cleaner home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.